Have you ever encountered the Arlo Base Station Error 4403? This error is a common one that pops up while installing a firmware update for Arlo's cameras. But what causes it? And more importantly, how can you fix it? The Arlo Base Station Error 4403 generally occurs due to temporary glitches. This means that your device has come across some temporary issues that have caused the firmware update process to fail. If you've tried all general workarounds and the error persists, it's likely that there are some issues with Arlo's system. The good news is, this error usually requires a straightforward fix, a simple reboot of the base station. You can do this by going to your base and toggling off the power button. Wait for around 10 seconds and then turn the power button back on. This process might take a few minutes, but once done, you should be able to install the required firmware update without any errors. If the error continues, try restarting your base station and then install the update while logged into your PC. Remember, to install any updates for the Arlo camera, it's essential that it is fully charged and you have a stable connection. If the error still persists, visit the Arlo server status page and check if there are any ongoing issues with the Arlo system. If there are, wait for a few hours and try again. To recap, the Arlo Base Station Error 4403 is mainly due to temporary glitches. The primary solution is a simple reboot of the base station. If this doesn't work, ensure your camera is fully charged, you have a stable connection, and check Arlo's server status page for any ongoing issues. Still facing trouble? Don't hesitate to contact Arlo support for further assistance. Errors can be frustrating, but with a little patience and the right steps, they can be resolved. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, not harder. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.